it's very windy, and in Canada you also make snow globes, and we wanted to make our own snow globe, and we still have so much igloo. I mean, and we have so much snow left. Like you can make a slide here, like old times. So let's go inside. As you can see, there's so much space inside. So just hop in right here. There's space here for your foot. Let me just make it bigger. There's space there. Yeah, right here collapsed. You can't see it. Also, it's soundproof, this whole thing. Right up here is like a breathing air hole. And if you look through here, it's very thick. Okay, there's holes over there. So, you can go through, pop those holes and check what's inside this tunnel. Hello. Wait, come. Look at the tunnel. It's blue. Under the tunnel. It's like a worm in here. Hi. Okay. Now, here's my room. Yeah, all of us have separate rooms. And yeah. This is a sunroof, that blue thing. Also, you could see right now, if you all the way go there, you can see what's inside the tunnel. Nothing. Also, I want to show you something. Let's go to the very front. Also, I forgot. Wait, you know snow? Snow gets very dirty if you just move in it. So just imagine how dirty this is. Very. Not onto the front. As a snail. Whoa. Okay. Try guessing anywhere in this whole entire snow globe. No, igloo is food. Try. Time's up. Let's go show you. Right here. You're wondering why? Why? How? You just go like here, here, and then you take it out and there. If you like keeping them out. But it's for until it's not gets destroyed. So good. If you would see how look at that. Maybe I could just try help. Right there. Looks blue, right? It looks like the ocean. And look up right. And right here I made it. And that's all of this igloo. I would call it snow globe for no reason. And hope you like and subscribe, share to all of your family and your friends. Hope you have a good is this afternoon? Hope you have a good afternoon, and see you on the next video. Bye. Satisfying clip. Oh, there's bricks. Never knew that. It's pretty.